She got driving in ice, I was snow blind. The Weather Channel warned that I should stay off the road. I slid in the ditches, my transmission started to unwind. My leg was broken, the wind was blowing, it's so damn cold. I didn't think I'd be dreaming and wishing I'd be in Mexico deep sea fishing. The sun so warm and the ocean so blue. I'm stuck in my car digging for icicles too. Next came a girl driving too fast in a red car. She was sliding towards me at 45 miles per hour. I ducked down and took the jolt like a rock star. My windows blew open, the snow was falling with so much power. I didn't think I'd be dreaming and wishing the girl beside me would maybe be kissing me by the sun and the ocean so blue. But she's stuck next to me, digging for icicles too. Came with the fire truck right beside them. Chainsaws, welders, blowtorches, big black dogs. She smiled at me as the firemen wrapped her cold limbs. By the time they got me, I felt like a frozen log. I didn't think I'd no longer be wishing for love to find me. My whole life I've been fishing. She slammed into me with the love so true. Hope I spend my whole life digging for icicles. Now I wake in the morning and my foot she tickles. Her belly is growing and now she craves pickles. Save all my pennies and all of my nickels just to be digging for icicles.